ஹலோ எவ்ரிவன், நான் ரிச்சர்ட். நீங்கள் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிறது பீயிங் ரிச் சேனல். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம சேனலில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் எவர் ஒரு இன்டர்வியூ வந்து நம்ம போட போகிறோம். அதுவும் ஒரு மீம் காயின் கிரிப்டோ கரன்சி சிஇஓ கூட ஒரு இன்டர்வியூ செஷன் நம்ம கண்டக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ அந்த வீடியோ தான் இப்போ நம்ம வந்து போஸ்ட் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது மிஸ்டர் சமீர் பவானி. இவர் வந்து சிஇஓ ஆஃப் பிளாக் ஃப்ளோக்கி இன்னும் கிரிப்டோ கரன்சி. ஸோ பிளாக் ஃப்ளோக்கின்றது ஒரு மீம் காயின். ஸோ இந்த மீம் காயினை வந்து நாளைக்கு நம்ம இந்தியன் டைமில் 9 AM லான்ச் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ நான் வந்து இந்த கிரிப்டோ கரன்சியை பற்றி பேசுகிறத விட நம்ம அந்த சிஇஓ கிட்டேயே தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். ஏன்னா ஜென்ரலாக இந்த கிரிப்டோ கரன்சினாலே ஒரு டிரான்ஸ்பரன்சி இருக்காது, யார் இந்த டீம் இருக்காங்க அதுக்கு பின்னாடி அப்படின்ட்டு. பட் ஆனால் இந்த கிரிப்டோ காயினோட சிஇஓவே டைரெக்டாக நம்ம கூட வந்து ஒரு வர்ச்சுவல் இன்டர்வியூ கொடுத்துருக்காரு. ஸோ இந்த இன்டர்வியூவை ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்கள். இந்த பிளாக் ஃப்ளோக்கி இன்னும் கிரிப்டோ காயினை பற்றி இன்னும் நீங்கள் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணுன்னா அதோட வெப்சைட் லிங்க்கை இந்த வீடியோவோட டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் தரேன். ஸோ வீடியோவை ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்கள். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். Welcome, sir. Welcome to this show.
Thank you.
Sir, before talking about this Black Floki cryptocurrency, tell something about you, sir. How did you come up in this industry?
I'll tell you. I'll tell you my profile. I have been a MBA graduate,
Okay.
and after that, I've been working in many corporate companies.
Okay.
After before some years, as I was not able to work, I wanted to start my some own business. What I did, I started an event management company, which is named as 4 Pillars Event Management Services Private Limited.
Okay.
It was formed in 2017. We in 4 Pillars Event Management, we have done many big events like the Dabang Tour, A.R. Rahman live in concerts. We have been doing a sports channel marketing, which was named as True Sports. We have done a celebrity cricket league over there. And after this events and all, I started producing some films.
Okay.
I've produced some regional films, and in future I am currently producing some Bollywood films too, which soon would be coming up, and you all would be enjoying the films.
Awesome, sir. Thank you, sir. So how did this Black Floki came into your mind, sir? So when did you start thinking of creating your own cryptocurrency? How did this come up?
Black Floki actually came in my mind because when I was doing with this all events and movies and everything, I am very fond of trading. So I started trading in cryptocurrency since last 4 years. So I was continuously trading in cryptocurrencies and going through all the currencies. So after going through so much currencies, it came in my mind that why I should, as I'm working in Bollywood and all, why I should not use this Bollywood in NFT. So I created my own cryptocurrency. And the name Black Floki came in my mind is when every time when I used to currencies, there are some currencies which were coming in my mind, like you must have seen Doge coins or other. And I'm very fond of pets too. So it was lucky to have that a name clicked in my mind. So I came up with Black Floki.
It's a fantastic name, sir. Elon Musk's favorite name, Floki.
Yeah, that's the reason.
Correct, sir. Awesome, sir. So what about the tokenomics of this Black Floki, sir?
The tokenomics of it, I will go with the total supply of its 1 quadrillion is the supply of tokens, which we have created. And why 1 quadrillion is because this is a coin which we have created, like it would be burning 3% automatic, it would be burning. 3% automatically would be liquidated. 3% it would be automatically given rewards to the holder.
Fantastic, sir.
And 3% would be burning automatically.
Okay.
So that's the reason it's a quantity is created and it would be working so on.
Okay. All right. So when are you planning to launch this cryptocurrency, sir? What's your plan?
We are launching it tomorrow. At 3:30 PM UTC timing.
Awesome, sir. Yeah.
We want maximum of them people to join the community as much as they can.
Definitely, sir. It is a wonderful opportunity to every Indian to grab this Black Floki cryptocurrency.
Yes, this is what something, because every country has their own token, but there is nothing created for Indians.
Correct.
So why not Indian community get us together and bring something good out?
Correct, sir. Correct. And moreover, many of the cryptocurrencies, it is not transparent. Even we don't know what is the team behind that. But here we are having the CEO of the cryptocurrency. It's a wonderful thing, sir.
The transparency again, apart from I'm being in front, anyone can visit my profile wherever they want to. Apart from this, not only my profile, what we are going to do is we are going to, at Black Floki, we are going to lock some liquidity. So it would be transparent for everyone. Apart from
Okay.
this, we are not doing any pre-sale, not private sale, nothing.
Okay.
It's a fair launch. Anyone and everyone will get the same over there.
Okay.
There is no private sale, no pre-sale, nothing.
Okay.
What is the price is, it's for everyone. It's a fair launch.
Okay, that's great to hear, sir. And what's your plan about controlling the whales, sir? That has become a major problem in all cryptocurrencies. The whales are playing the game. So I saw in your website, you have some plans for
we have restricted the selling of over here. So there is a 12% on selling. So whales would be restricted. They can't do a big sale at a time over here. We have restricted everything over here.
Okay.
Because I want this, a layman, a small community, every single small people, I want to get in this, get involved in this. If only it is for whales, then what happens? The whale rule the currency and the lower profile people are not able to achieve the profits like whales.
Correct.
Here it is restricted. So here everyone would not be, there would be no whale problems over here because we have restricted each and every sale of the currency.
Okay, that's really awesome, sir. Because the whales are doing the game, they are changing the complete game of a cryptocurrency. But here, hearing from a CEO that the whales activity has been restricted, it's a great thing to hear, sir. Thank you. It's actually a wonderful plan.
The initiative of doing a fair launch was that if there is a private sale or pre-sale, the whales catch the profit. Whatever the margin is, it goes to whales.
Okay.
Here we have restricted. We have done a fair launch. Whoever wants to buy from the first day, each and every, it's a common currency for everyone. Anyone and everyone can buy it.
Okay, great, sir. So how do you think this tokenomics would help to grow this token, sir? So what is the plans that you have to grow?
See, I would be bringing NFTs in this.
Okay.
In future, we would be bringing some products in this. We are continuously updating our technology as we have initiated it. As the community would be growing, we would be following up the roadmap. If you have gone through our website, you must have seen the roadmap which we have thought.
I've seen it, sir.
And we would be completely following the roadmap as it is mentioned.
Okay. It would be nice if you go through your roadmap, sir, so that many people would come to know what it is.
I can go through it. No issues. Yes, I can go through it. In roadmaps, like if I tell you in detail, if you want me to go, we would be doing a website launch.
Okay.
After that, we would be doing a live launch website. After that, we would be disclosing our official white paper.
Okay.
We would be launching our official white paper. After that, we would be launching the marketings and whatever the community to increase the community.
Okay.
After that, we would be launching with the NFT, in which I would be including the Bollywood things, what I have thought in my mind, which I would be updating time to time. Yeah. We would be starting the Black Floppy swap itself.
Okay.
We are working on it. We would be starting our own swap exchange, which would be named as Black Floppy swap.
Okay, that's
so
great.
And it goes on.
Okay.
And we would be doing a very big marketing for this.
Okay.
Which would help us to create a big community over here. And we are doing this globally, not only in India, we are doing this globally. So I want to create the community as much as we can.
Okay. Awesome, sir. Awesome. So seeing your roadmap, your Black Floppy has got a very much potential to do well in this market. And being from India, it would be a great honor for every Indian, sir. So if it is planned accordingly to the roadmap, then definitely it would hit the market.
Surely you would be yourself or all the people would always be looking at that we are following the roadmap very strictly.
Okay.
My first thing was the roadmap was created that we have to go through the roadmap itself.
Okay.
So in future, because my aim is to take Black Floppy and 1 billion market cap in 1 year.
Okay.
So for that, I have to strictly follow the roadmap, and I will.
Looking at your roadmap, that is very much possible, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Anything else you want me to...
what about listing in exchanges, sir? So what are the exchanges that you are speaking at the moment?
Tomorrow we are starting with PancakeSwap.
Okay.
Soon we'll be starting in Uniswap and other local exchanges itself.
Okay.
And within a span of time period, according to our roadmap, we would be soon launching in bigger exchanges.
Okay.
We would be listing in CoinMarketCap also within some months.
Okay. Awesome, sir. So how do you see this token in a year time, sir? So what is your
that's what I told you. We would be strictly following the roadmap and we would be doing a massive marketing campaign.
Okay.
And I see Black Floppy in 1 billion market cap soon in 1 year.
Okay, okay. Awesome, sir. So
Yes.
anything else you want to say to the subscribers, sir?
Just I would tell that tomorrow we are giving a launch. It's a grand launch which would be doing at 3:30 UTC timing.
Okay.
So please, as much as people can subscribe or join with us and buy black coffee, we'll grow together.
Okay. Awesome, sir. So it's really a great interview we had, sir. And thank you so much for joining with us. And it's a great moment to all Tamil community people here in India and Malaysia and other countries, sir. So great honor to speak to you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining with us.
Thank you very much.
I wish you great
We would
success.
be again updating you on time to time basis with what all new things we are coming up with.
Awesome.
There are many things which we have thought and we would be coming up with, which would be help to grow Black Flocky and our community as much as we can.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for joining us, sir. I wish great success to this Black Flocky community. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So இன்னைக்கு நம்ம கூட மிஸ்டர் சமீர் பவானி CEO ஆஃப் பிளாக் ஃப்ளோக்கி கிரிப்டோ காயின் நம்ம கூட இருந்தார். ஸோ அவங்களோட விஷன் எல்லாமே நம்ம கூட ஷேர் பண்ணார். இட்ஸ் அ கிரேட் ஆனர். இட்ஸ் ஆல் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் யூ. லவ் யூ ஸோ மச். ஏன்னா நீங்கள் என்னை சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுறதுனால தான் நம்ம சேனலை வந்து இவங்க நோட்டீஸ் பண்ணி அவங்க எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவாக, அதுவும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எவர் நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டில் இந்த தமிழ் கிரிப்டோ கரன்சி சேனலில் அவங்க இன்டர்வியூ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ இந்த பிளாக் ஃப்ளோக்கி பற்றி நீங்கள் நிறைய தெரிஞ்சிட்ருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ இன்னும் டீட்டெயில்ஸ் தெரியணும்னா இந்த பிளாக் ஃப்ளோக்கி இன்னும் காயினோட வெப்சைட் லிங்க்கை இந்த வீடியோ டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் தரேன். அந்த லிங்க்கை கிளிக் பண்ணி நீங்கள் நிறைய டீட்டெயில்ஸ் தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. அண்ட் இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாமல் இருந்தால் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். இதே மாதிரி உங்களை அடுத்த ஒரு வீடியோவில் சந்திக்கிறேன். Until then, take care. Bye-bye.